Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Bhavana Gupta and welcome to my application created under MAD1 project for BS degree program at IIT Madras. So this is a vehicle parking management application where you can see two options to either login or register. So first let us log in. We can either log in as the admin or as a user. Also we can create a new account over the register option. So first let us log in as the admin. Here on the admin dashboard, we can see the total number of parking lots, the parking spots, and the available as well as occupied spots. So when we scroll down, we can see summary charts where there is available information about parking occupancy and the revenue charts. On the very bottom, we can see the parking lots with their location and the availability. We can view as well as edit any of the parking lots. For example, we can change the price and all. Also, we can create a new parking lot. So for example, let us create one for Pacific Mall, and here we have created 10 spots for this one. Now we can see Pacific Mall in the available parking lots list, and if we view it, here are 10 available parking lots. Similarly, let us now log in for the user. Okay, so we can see that there are 4 available parking lots in which the user can book their parking. We just have to input the vehicle number and our booking will be confirmed. Here you can see one active registration, the parking rate and vehicle number. We can also release the parking and our total amount will be calculated. All of this goes into your parking history. Also, just like the admin, the user can also see some statistics of how many times they have parked at which spot. So for example, if we select this Pacific Mall and book a spot there, we'll now go to the admin and check if this is visible. See, we can see one red bar over the Pacific Mall, which is for occupied. There are 1 occupied spots and 99 available. Over here in the Pacific Mall, if we just go on the view details, we can see that 1 spot is occupied and it is by this vehicle number and this user. Right. So that was all for my application for MAD1 project. Thank you.